Hi, what's up, stoners? Welcome to the local band Smokeout.
G'day, cunts. CJ from Chaos is here.
Croggy from St. Freud.
Dave from St. Freud. Tuning in to local band fucking Smokeout.
Local band Smokeout.
Get it in, you
Thank
cunt.
you, BG. We love you.
Mwah.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to another local band, Smokeout. I'm your host, is higher than most, BG. Checking out emo mathcore artist, Kaonashi. They're out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This one's called I Hate the Sound of Car Keys. I mean, the jangles, I guess. People hate the jangles. I don't know. We'll find out. But Facebook.com/KaonashiPA. Please go like their page, support them any way possible. And if you end up digging this reaction video, please consider clicking the subscribe button for me so you never miss any of these. Spark it if you got it. I hate the sound of car keys. Yeah! His vocal style is like very chaotic, but the whole band's chaotic, so I get it. It's madness captured in a bottle. That's exactly what it is. Madness. Put it in a bottle and then there you go. Then you got it. I never heard anything from this band before. I've heard of them, but I've never heard any of their music before. It's such an unusual vocal style, but it just kind of works with the craziness of this band, which is, I guess, defined as emo mathcore. All right, Kaonashi, I hate the sound of car keys. I don't think I've heard anything like that in quite a while. They're out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Facebook.com/KaonashiPA. I'm gonna go 9.1. It's a little bit of an acquired taste. It's because if you like crazy, chaotic mathcore, then this band may be for you. I feel like the vocalist it's just unique. It's just really unique. Like, you don't hear that kind of town. Like, he is like, they're like agony screams the whole time. But it's just cool and experimental and fun and different, and I'm all about that. So please support Kaonashi at KaonashiPA on Facebook. Please hit the like button, the follow button, support button, whatever you can do for them, that'd be awesome. Kindly consider clicking the subscribe button for me so you never ever miss any of these reactions. And we've got a lot, nearly about 5,000 of them, any genre. And join me on Twitch, twitch.tv/localbandsmokeout. I'm there 5 times a week, 3+ hours a day, twitch.tv/localbandsmokeout. Monday through Friday, by the way, 3:50 to 7:20 p.m. Pacific time, any genre. We always have guest prizes, trivia, punishments. Please come request something. We'll check it out and jam it. Other than that, though, I am your host who's higher than most, BG, saying cheers. Keep blazing. And peace. I'll catch you next time.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Gypsy Lee.
I'm Matt Gerber, and we are Scarlet and Harmony.
For fans of bands like Thy Art Is Murder,
Infinite Annihilator,
Along the Shore,
Fit for an Autopsy, please feel free to check us out at Scarlet and Harmony on YouTube, Spotify, and anywhere else you may stream music.
we'd really appreciate it. Hope you meet them.